Hello, my dear gardeners. I was sick the whole week and laying in bed with high fever, couldn't do anything outside. So this is the first time I have a chance to go out for a short visit and get you and myself updated what's going on in the garden. Well, some roses are already finishing their blooming cycle. This generous gardener is in need of deadheading, cleaning up, feeding, so that would be the priority. The new blooms of New Dawn rose. As I expected, the blooms nodded down and fell a little bit. I missed the peak of the blooming season. You see, the blooms are a little bit old, but that's okay. I like the color of these gentle, very clean pink blooms here. They brighten up this corner of the garden very well. And from now on, the rose will become bigger and stronger. Totally missed Profuma rose blooms. Only several of them are left. Also, the deadheading and cleaning is desperately needed. But look at the beautiful health of this rose. So all the rain and conditions, humid conditions, rose is pushing on. It is morning. We have very cool and misty morning, and garden is very quiet and lush today. I'm very happy that Katrina still waited for me with its blooms. I'm pleased to say that Katrina has a very long blooming cycle. The flowers are not fading very quickly, so maybe good 2 weeks of blooms is good. The generous garden needs to be deadheaded. Oh well, I will get to it at some point. Meanwhile, in the front of the house, raised beds are getting ready to bloom. All the flowers there. Hydrangeas are picking up. They're very lush and plentiful this year, thanks to all the rain we had. So the front of the house looks very good right now. And I am surprised how many new blooms hydrangeas created. They look so miserable in spring from all that frosty, harsh weather we had in winter. But maybe because of all the presence of rain, they managed to create smaller but very plentiful blooms. So we will have blooms this year on hydrangeas in the front, which is very nice. And there are two more surprises I want to show you, which happened during my time of illness. The new rose Adelaide on the side, which is growing in our like a woodland area, it bloomed and bloomed so well this year. It's a surprise sight because you don't expect that rose to be there. Look at it. You go through these evergreens and then, oh, here she is. Also past its blooming time, but still I'm happy to see her here. I still didn't build any support for her here, which is needed. And then the last surprise were clematis. They're growing on the dilapidated arch. By the way, everything is very happy to have plenty of water here. So that clematis is growing on the arch, which is falling off because clematis and the honeysuckle, they're very happy sharing that arch, almost taking that arch down. So I'm ready to do some construction work here. And look at all the blooms. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The dead nettle on the right brightens up this space very well. And the gorgeous blooms of clematis. Totally missed their blooms. They are also past their prime. Oh well. I will be back in my garden, my dear gardeners, and I will see you soon as I'm feeling a little bit better. Happy gardening!